Hello everyone. We are doing the fourth question of the chapter of surfaces and volumes for class 10th, exercise 13.3. A well of diameter 3 meters is dug 14 meters deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meters to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Now again, as I told you, in this exercise, we are having all the questions of one solid being changed into another. So this also, the earth that is taken out from the well will be in the form of a cylinder, and it is going to be changed into a cylindrical ring, and the volumes of both of them are going to be equal. So let us see how it can be done. So we have the cylindrical well with height h1 equal to 14 meters, and the earth dug out from this well is used to make an embankment. So I can say that the volume of the earth that is being dug out is equal to volume of the earth used in making this embankment. Or I can say that the volume of this cylindrical well will be equal to volume of this embankment. So let us write what all is given to us. I have the depth of the well h1 equal to 14 meters. I told you about that. The diameter of the circular portion is how much? It is equal to 3 meters. So its radius comes out to be 3 upon 2, which is equal to 1.5 meters. If you go to the embankment, the inner radius R1 of this embankment will be same as the radius of the well, which is equal to 1.5 meters. And the outer radius R2 will be how much? 1.5 meters, this portion, plus 4 meters. 1.5 plus 4, which comes out to be how much? It comes out to be 5.5 meters. So I'll be writing that the outer radius R2 is 5.5, inner radius R1 is equal to 1.5. I need to find out this height of the embankment. So I take this height to be as h meters. The volume of the soil dug from the well will be equal to volume of the earth used to form the embankment, right? Now this will be how much? The volume of the soil dug will be equal to volume of the cylindrical well, and the volume of the earth used to form the embankment will be equal to volume of the embankment. That will be how much? Pi into R1 squared H1. The volume of the cylindrical well will be equal to this outer cylinder's volume minus this inner cylinder's volume, right? So how much will that be? It will be equal to pi into R2 square H minus pi into R1 square H, right? If I take this pi and H common, I get pi into R2 square minus R1 square into H. Pi and pi will cancel out, and H will be how much? It will be equal to R1 square into H1 upon R2 square minus R1 square. Now let me put the values. The value of R1 square is how much? R1 square was equal to 1.5 meters. H1 is equal to 14. R2 is how much? 5.5, and R1 is 1.5. So putting the values, how much will I get? I'll get 1.5 square into 14 divided by 5.5 square minus 1.5 square. Now this, I can calculate 5.5 square and then 1.5 square and then subtract. Or the easy thing that comes in my mind is to use a square minus b square formula. How much is that? It is a plus b into a minus b. So 5.5 square minus 1.5 square is equal to 5.5 plus 1.5 into 5.5 minus 1.5. So I get this 1.5 whole square written as 2.25. So this is how much? This is 7. This is how much? This is 4. So I get 2.25 into 14 divided by 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is how much? It is 28. So 28 and 14 cancels to give me 2 here. So I'm left with 2.25 divided by 2, which comes out to be 1.125 meters. So I can say that the height of the embankment is 1.125 meters. So I hope you followed the solution. Thank you so much.